Hey, a very warm welcome today to our Wall of Flavor session. My name is Mohamed Toure, commonly known as Sharif. I'm one of the chefs in the Hamburg office. So today I'm going to take you to a journey to the smiling coast of Africa, the Gambia. Welcome to the smiling coast of Africa, the Gambia. I guess we had a very pleasant flight. Yeah, today I'm going to present to you the national dish of my country, Domada. Go! Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a cooking pot at a high heat, about 200 degrees. Roast the chicken until it's golden brown. Take out the chicken and reduce the temperature to medium heat. Add the rest of the oil and the onions and stew for some minutes until translucent. Add the peeled tomatoes, carrots, tomato paste and a liter of water. Also add the peanut butter, ginger, bay leaves, salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover and simmer for 45 minutes, but stirring occasionally. Add the chicken, okra and lime juice. Only put the habaneros if you want to have it spicy. And not forget, not too long. Thank you so much. I hope you had a pleasant journey with me. Al Nimbara ala Barak Fowati Kote. Pleasant love from Hamburg.